brain, guys. Yes, sir. My boy slumped the fuck out. Oh god, that sleep do be hitting. Alright. I have no idea what this game is about. No background, nothing. I ain't never played this game. Ain't no watching no gameplay on this game. This game about old as to interact, make the indicated move with the right stick. Ooh. Okay. Bro, put some fucking pants on, my nigga. Try to do it slowly to see how you control the animation speed. Yeah, that was ugly as hell. I should have did that better. Okay. Hold R2 to... What? Ooh! I do not like that. R2 to walk? Hell nah. And I just use left stick to change direction? That's iffy. That's iffy as What am I doing? Jumping off? Okay. Never mind. Okay. What are we looking at? Okay. I don't know what we're doing. Alright. Anyways, how's y'all's day going so far? We got money. It seemed like we got some bread, cause look at this motherfucking house. Anyways, I'm doing fine, y'all. I'm doing real good. Look at this room. Look at this nigga room. Y'all can't tell me this nigga room not study. How you do that? Okay. Alright, let's put some motherfucking clothes on. Why did you ain't... At any time, you can listen to what your character thinks by pressing and holding down L2. What? Shower.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
My nigga, what? Oh, this a game. What kind of game is this? Where's the shower? Okay. What's that? A note?
Gone shopping.
Okay.
I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party.
Oh
Don't work
shit,
too
happy
hard.
birthday, Jason.
I
Happy
love
birthday,
you.
Jason. I love you too, Grace. And you don't know what the fuck you is. Okay. Ooh, we got a little birdie. What up, Mordecai? Hell yeah, that's my nigga Mordecai. What up, Mordecai? How you doing? I'm assuming this is the bathroom. Yes. Okay. Let's hop our little musty ass up in the shower. Turn your head to see which actions are available. Use the left stick to look at the shower. Ain't nobody wanna see. Ain't nobody wanna see this man booty cheeks. Okay, get the scrub it up. Ain't nobody wanna see that man booty cheek, bro. Put them booties away. He double cheeked up. Bro, no. So, you're an ugly ass.
What if I was suicidal? What if that was my last straw?
I'm not gonna lie. That's that dad attire. Fuck is you saying? Character's thoughts change with the situation. We're gonna check the regular garden work. Let's go to work.
I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
Ooh, let's play with the stickies. Where the car at? See? So he is an architect. Yeah, he is an architect. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I'm throwing me in the garbage. I meant to grab the damn pen. Sit your eyes down. Benny. That's his new name. I don't like Chris. Benny. Yeah, I'm fucking with Benny. Oh, we drawing. Yeah, okay. Okay. What could this possibly be? Oh, his ass got them strokes. No homo. No weird shit. For actions requiring time and precision, press the indicated button as soon as it appears. Okay. Piano's going nuts in the back though. You got serious fucking talent if you could just do that. If you could just do that, give yourself a pat on the fucking back. Go make your motherfucking coffee, John. Is that his name? I feel like that's his name. His name Benny. I don't get no. What you made? Just a little espresso? No, that ain't coffee. I don't think that's coffee. Burners getting lit. You never drunk coffee that fast.
I'm thirsty. Should be some orange juice in the fridge.
Nigga, you're weird. You just drunk some coffee. You're not. No, you're not. You're not getting that. Oh, they're home. I seen that car pass 5 times. 4 probably.
Hey,
what up, children?
You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
No, shut your ass up.
That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Right.
Can I drive your car?
Head ass.
I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Can you get your
Ethan,
helper, boy?
can you please help me?
Okay, his name's Ethan.
I'm coming.
Don't look at her, nigga. Help her. Tweak. You should have been on side already. Waited for the motherfucking. Like, what is you doing, boy? Got your lady out here carrying bags and shit.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get
White
any work done?
folks.
I made some pretty good progress. I've just got to work on a few more details, and then I should be ready to present the.
Don't push me.
Ugh, I've got a billion things to do.
What's your name is?
It'll never be
Bethany.
ready before Jason's pals.
That's your name, Bethany.
Can you please help me?
With what?
There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
What?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Why is there plates in the living room?
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug.
Am I, like, do I not live here or something? Why she saying this shit like this brand new or something? Do I not live here?
That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
No. Okay. I don't like the little turning ones. God damn it!
Hey, Ethan, you said you were going to be careful.
I'm
Hey.
sorry. I'll be more gentle.
Yeah.
Ethan.
What I
I've already
said.
told you this today, Mrs. Mars,
Okay, Mars.
but I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars.
Her eyes are beautiful. Oh, get you some, Ethan. Not when they're watching.
I know what's on your mind, Ethan. But now is not the right time for it.
That boy rocked up.
Shame.
I've really
He
got to
bricked.
focus on-
That nigga horny.
We'll continue this little conversation later.
When are Jason's friends coming?
Oh, about 2 p.m.? Oh, God, I hope I'll be able to keep the situation under control. Not like last year.
Jason. Let's ask
Jason
about
looks
Jason.
happy.
Yeah. It's hard to believe he's 10 years old today.
Look at
It
him.
seems like only yesterday we were flirting in high school. We're getting old, Ethan.
Man, you ain't gotta say that shit. Damn. I know I'm getting old. Ma'am. What up, little son,
That's
though?
it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay?
Damn, show
After
you.
that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here
Okay,
soon.
we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first. No, me first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
Okay, turn your head with the stick.
Me.
All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
I only did Jason because it's his birthday, you know what I'm saying? I have to do Jason first. I don't want to. I don't know what my other son's name is.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Okay. We flying like some motherfuckers. Got his ass on the shoulders. Okay, his name is Sean. We got Sean and Josh. Not John. Josh. What's his name?
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Head ass.
Be careful, hang on.
Oh, gotta tap that motherfucker. His ass gonna pull something.
Oh,
Look, I'm being a good dad. Oh shit. Jason, I'm about you up. Jason, I'm about to actually fuck you up. Jason, I'm actually about to fuck you up, son.
surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
No, yeah. Cut his ass. Boom.
Come on, Jason. Hi-ya!
Give up. I am victorious.
Watch out. Oh. Attack! Whoa.
Damn. He dead. Jason, you just died. Bow.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
Give me your motherfucking leg, Jason. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Continue.
On guard.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go, Jason. Yeah. Hi-ya!
Fuck him up.
No.
Damn.
Let's go.
Food's ready, kids.
Fucked him up. I told you I was gonna put his ass on one. The bird died?
Sean?
No. Mordecai. No, that's not his name. It's Mordecai. Shut up.
He's dead and it's all
Shut
my
up.
fault.
No, it's not
It's
your
not,
fault.
Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
Exactly. Don't say that.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
Oh.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen.
Oh,
Even if you don't
damn.
want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
How are you
I
even,
know.
bro? Why is he out the cage, my nigga? A little family time. Oh, not the fucking clown. A little family time at the
I'd
mall.
like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem.
Something devastating about to happen.
We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Go look for some shoes too, Jason. It's your birthday, my boy. Go get you some fucking some Air Maxes or something. NPC, shorty, you good? Her ass glitched. Jason, I'm finna beat your ass.
Jason!
Jason,
Jason, you really shouldn't run her off like that, you know?
I'm gonna beat your ass,
There's
Jason.
an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
No.
Great!
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Hell yeah, red favorite color.
There you
Busting
go.
out the same. Red is indeed the best color.
That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Oh my fucking god. Bro! Fuck this nigga! No, I'm finna steal this balloon, bro, cause he...
Keep the change.
Jason, I'm about to beat the living shit out this motherfucking boy.
To try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon, and I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
You motherfuckers,
Stay here.
keep your son on a leash. His ass don't know how to listen, bro. Didn't I tell you, motherfucker, something was gonna happen?
Jason! Jason!
Game was too motherfucking peaceful for my liking, yo.
Jason!
I'm beating his ass. I'm beating his motherfucking ass. If something don't happen to this boy,
Jason!
that's his motherfucking ass. Trust.
Jason!
Trust. What's up? Jason, you in here, nigga? Little boy's beating him up.
Jason!
And I would have been in that shit. Playing motherfucking Mario and shit. No? Oh my god, Jason, I'm gonna smack you, my nigga. Oh, bro, no. I'm beating your ass, boy. Cause you on some fucking nigga shit. Move your asses out, my motherfucker. I ain't gonna get my damn son, bro.
Jason!
It's hella people, bro. It's hella people. I see that red balloon. I see that red balloon. Look at that balloon.
Jason!
Why he moving so fast?
Jason!
Never!
Jason!
Bro, you're not even following nothing no more.
Jason!
Ethan, you're a fucking idiot. Shut the fuck up.
Jason!
Shut up, nigga.
Jason!
His voice is so damn annoying. Go back. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Jason!
Whoa, man. Y'all motherfuckers in my way. Oh, God, bro.
Jason!
Jason, if this is you,
God, you really had me scared.
oh my God, I'm about to knock his fucking head off.
Jason!
Move out my way, nigga. No, this mall never that packed, bro. This mall is never that packed. It's not even that bust. This dingy ass mall. Move.
Jason!
Out the way. No. Don't tell me he's about to get hit by the bus. I know something about to happen.
Shit!
Dad!
I'm beating this fucking ass. If you don't, ooh, I died.
Jason! Jason! Oh my god, no! No! No, Jason! Oh my god, no!
Oh. His little ass ain't motherfucking wanna listen, bro. His ass ain't wanna listen. His ass stupid as fuck. I'm not even sad for this nigga, bro. Fuck him, man. Whatever the fuck he had going on. Listen, nigga. I told your stupid ass. To stay right where the fuck I was at so I could pay for this damn balloon. Did I not say that shit?